Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox on your Microsoft Excel when you're doing such tasks, okay? So as you can see right here, I have 5 examples, and I almost forgot that I want just to kind of remind you, if you're using your MacBook or any iOS device, please stay in the video, even if you're using your laptop, because even though I'm using Windows OS right here with the PC setup, it's literally the same process, okay? Now let's get back with the Excel file. As you can see, I have 5 social media or 5 examples, right? Now I want to insert a checkbox right behind or right beside them on the left side. What I want to do is look for the developer option on the section above. Now for example, you don't have a developer option because this isn't automatically added. Just right click anywhere on the section above. For example, this blank page right here, I'm gonna right click, customize a ribbon, and look for the developer option on this tab right here. You're gonna set on this checkbox and then make sure this is checked and click on OK. Now once you click on that, you'll adding developer option on the top section of the options. With that one, simply look for insert this checkbox right there, or even a radio box over there. Okay? Now since this is a checkbox video, I'm gonna click on checkbox right there and simply click it behind or beside the first example. Now, as you can see, it has something with a word with it. Let me just redo it because I want to edit that word that says checkbox right there. I don't want that. I just want the checkbox itself. Now, basically treat it as a photo, okay? Because once you click it, you won't be able to move it anymore. So, treat it as a photo and then just move it behind this one. Remember, it's not a word, it's not any other document, it's a photo, okay? And once you have that, simply click on it and copy wherever you want to place it. Now once done, you can either click on it right now or uncheck. Basically, that's how you add a checkbox on Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.